Oh, so nice here. Warm and comfortable. Can you hear the wind? There's a line in Turgenev. On a night like this, happy the man with a roof over his head and a warm corner to rest in. I am the seagull. No, that's not right. What was I saying? Oh yes, I was talking about Turgenev. And may God help every homeless wanderer. It doesn't matter.
Nina, you mustn't. Nina.
It's nothing. It's good for me. It's been 2 years since I've been able to cry. I went to the garden last night to see if our stage is still in one piece. And it is. It's still standing. I cried for the first time in 2 years, and it did me good. It eased my spirit. See? I've stopped crying. So, you're a writer now. You're a writer. And I'm an actress. You and I were both caught up in the whirlpool. I used to be as joyful as a child. Every morning I'd wake up singing. I loved you. And I dreamed of fame. And now, first thing tomorrow, I travel 3rd class to Yelitz with the peasants. And in Yelitz, the culture-loving tradesmen will harass me with their attentions. Life is ugly.
Why Yelitz?
I've signed up for the winter season. It's time to go.
Nina, I cursed you. I hated you. I tore up all of your letters and photographs, but I never stopped knowing that my soul is tied to yours through all eternity. I don't have the strength to stop loving you, Nina. Ever since I lost you and my work began to be published, my life has been unbearable. In some way, my youth has been torn from me, and I feel like I have been alive on this earth for 90 years. I call to you. I kiss the ground you walk on. Everywhere I look, I see your face. Your tender smile that lit up the best years of my life.
Why is he saying all of this? Why is he saying all of this?
I'm so lonely. There's no warmth or affection in my life. And I'm as cold as if I lived in a dungeon. Everything I write is dry, flat, and dreary. Stay with me, Nina. I'm begging you. Or let me come away with you. Why, Nina? For God's sake, Nina.
The horses are waiting by the garden gate. Don't see me off. I'll go on my own. Can I have some water?
Where are you going now?
Back into town. Is Irina Nikolaevna here?
Yes. My uncle was taken ill on Thursday, and we sent a telegram asking her to come.
Why do you have to say you kiss the ground I walk on? I deserve to be killed. So exhausted. If I could rest. I am the seagull. No, that's not right. I'm an actress. So he's here too. What difference does it make? He never believed in the theater. He laughed at my dreams, and little by little I stopped believing and lost heart. And then there were the stresses of love and jealousy, the constant anxiety about my little boy. I became batty and trivial. I started acting badly, and I couldn't work out what to do with my arms. I forgot how to stand. hand on stage, I lost control of my voice. You have no idea what it feels like to know you're acting appallingly. I am the Seagull. No, that's not right. Do you remember shooting a seagull? A man happens to come by, sees her, and for want of anything better to do, destroys her. An idea for a short story. What was I saying? Oh yes, I was talking about acting. I'm not like that anymore. I'm a proper actress now. I enjoy acting. I love it. I find being on stage intoxicating. It makes me feel beautiful. And now, down here, I've been walking and thinking and feeling the way my spiritual strength grows stronger day by day. I know now, Kostya. I understand that inner work, it doesn't matter if it's acting or writing. What's important isn't fame or glamour, none of the things I used to dream about. It's the ability to endure, to bear one's cross and keep faith. I do have faith, and it's not so painful anymore. And when I think of my vocation, I'm not afraid of life.
You found your way, and you know where you're going, but I'm still lost in a maze of dreams and images with no idea what use they might be. I have no faith, and I don't know what my vocation is.
Shh. I have to go. Goodbye. When I become a great actress, come and see me. Do you promise? But now, it's getting late. I'm exhausted and hungry.
Well, let me get you some supper.
No! Don't see me off. I'll go on my own. So she brought him with her? What difference does it make? When you see Shagor, don't say anything. I love him. I love him even more than I did. An idea for a short story. I love him. I love him passionately. I love him desperately. Wasn't it good here in the old days, Kostya? Do you remember what a warm, lovely, pure life it was? What feelings we had. Feelings like fragile, exquisite little flowers. Do you remember? Human beings, lions, eagles, and partridges, antler deer, geese, spiders, fish, silent beneath the waters, starfish, invisible microscopic creatures, all living things, all living things, all living things. Their tragic cycle finally complete, are now extinct. For thousands of centuries, no living creature has moved across the face of the earth. And this poor moon has shown her lamp in vain. The cranes no longer wake whooping in the meadows. And in the lime groves, maybe beetles are silent.